Stampin' friends, it's TxStampin Sharon. I am bringing you a little idea for you today because it's kind of a hard to see in the catalog kind of thing. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope it's very helpful for you, and let me show you what I'm talking about. In the 2019 Occasions catalog, as you thumb through, you come to page 21 and it says Incredible Like You. So here is the stamp set. Then there is this picture of the project kit. We're going to open up this project kit. It's brand new. I haven't opened it. Okay, we're going to open it together. When I got it the other day, I noticed, I was like, what is that? There's a card holder. There's a box in here. There's some baker's twine. Looks like Grapefruit Grove. Look at this. And look how pretty it is. So we're going to open it up. Flatten out that bottom. There we go. Look how adorable. Oh my gosh. We have some rhinestones. Like I said, we're opening this together. And I just want to teach you about the product because we can't always tell in the catalog. Here are a ton of dimensionals. You guys know I love dimensionals. Here's our envelopes. And, oh, looky there. Okay, so the envelopes have a liner. Okay, so that's pretty. Here are some, I'm assuming like card. Well, let's get our picture out. So when you look at the picture, you will see here, it looks like a little overlay that we're going to lay on our card front. Here is some glimmer paper. Looks like it's probably, I'm going to assume it's more like the Granny Apple Green. Here's some more overlays. These are so pretty. And I'm just trying to see if they're two different sides. They both look like they're white. Same with this one. Now we're talking. Look how pretty. There's a little bit of texture look to the background. So there's our Granny Apple Green. Here's some more overlays. These are going to be cards that we can put together very quickly. Look at that. Let's see. Yep, we're going to do it this way. And then, so that would go with Lovely Lipstick. Oh, I get it. The flowers are upside down. Our sentiment's probably going to go right there. And then here's some more Grapefruit Grove. More overlays. This is going to be fun. I'm going to begin putting these kits together. Look at that one. Grapefruit Grove, Lovely Lipstick. Here are some layers for us to add to our cards. Here's some more glimmer paper, but these are leaf cutouts. Okay, I know you probably can't see it on that side, so I'm showing you on this side. You're just going to pop those out. Let's see what this is. So these are little banners. See the banners? But it's also in that glimmer paper. And then here's our layers to stamp on. And these are just going to pop out, it looks like. All right. For beginner stampers, someone who is just falling in love with Stampin' Up, who doesn't have all the punches and dies and framelits. So this is going to be a great kit. And I'm going to get organized and start stamping. In the little brochure, there are little numbers that you would associate with the list over here under steps. But I want to go ahead and assemble these cards for you so that you will see it done versus just reading the instructions. So the first thing I recommend is having everything that you need to put together the card. The first time I did this card, I will be honest with you, I could not tell that this piece went underneath because in the picture it's a little hard and I didn't read the instructions. I found putting these cards together works really well if I use the multi-purpose glue, which it does recommend that you do that. Oh, I should have done this first. And you can see that beautiful glimmer paper peeking through the leaves. So much prettier than the first one I did. I'm going to use some dimensionals. And add a bow. Very easy. Here's our next card. And my tip for you on this one is that if you will turn this different ways, you will see how the fruit is colored correctly. That's the only tricky part about this one. So place it first, then flip it over, then add some glue. Super cute. For this part, I played with using the glue. Way too messy. We're just going to take and add like this so that we can kind of see it peeking out. We're going to use some tape. We just need a little piece just to hold it down. Way easier, I promise. When you add the little circle, it's best if you just put some liquid glue on that glimmer paper. It'll hold it much better than any other adhesive. Here's our next card, and I really think this is my favorite. Same thing with this. You just want to make sure that you have your template laid over the flowers correctly, which this one's not as hard as or tricky, I guess. None of them are hard, but you just want to make sure that you have it lined up. I love this card kit, and I've just about got my little box filled. I've been cranking these out. I think you could put these cards together in like less than 30 minutes, less than an hour. I was worried that I wasn't going to have enough of this. There's plenty on there for all your bows, for all the cards. Like I said, I think I only have one more set of everything left, so I'm doing good on the baker's twine. Here's our last card. and those instructions are on the back. Again, thought this would be easier if I just walked you guys through this. Again with our Scotch tape. Now for this one, we need to add our leaves. We have about 6 leaves to the back of this. I am going to go ahead and use some snail so that I don't have such gluey fingers from the multi-purpose glue. Now I'm kind of hovering over it so that I don't, let me show you, come off the card. So that's about right. Well, that one just doesn't want to stick. And I'll tell you the reason. It's because of the glitter. Okay, the glitter is kind of tricky in the sense that until I have some dimensionals on the back of this to hold it down, it doesn't want to, see, now I'm coming off, so I've got to fix that one. That one should have gone over here anyway. There we go. And then this one, we're going to put down here. And then we have one more. See how we're doing. And that one is going to go. We'll just put it right here. We're going to add our dimensionals, and that will help keep these leaves from falling off. And it's because, like I said, of the glimmer paper. It's just harder to get that to stick. But you have a ton of dimensionals, so you've got plenty. And there we go. Last, we're going to add our little flowers. And I am going to put those on with my glue dots. I know the glue dots come with the kit, but I'm just going to go ahead and use mine. and the rhinestones. Let me know what you think about these cards. I think they're adorable. They would make a great gift. I can't remember if I mentioned, but I went ahead and stamped everything ahead of time when I was putting the cards together. I only used Coastal Cabana and Lovely Lipstick, and I love, love, love these cards. I think they're super cute. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I think that you can see how this project kit can be very helpful to a new stamper, someone who just wants to make a bunch of cards. The layouts and the designs I thought were fabulous. So if you've not already subscribed to my channel, you can do so below. Then if you'll ring that little bell, you will be notified the next time I upload a video. Happy stamping, y'all!